students, parents, and all teachers. Welcome to our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Today's, we will try to understand exercises of Class 8th. Subject, General Science. Chapter 7th, Metals and Non-Metals. And so on. Like. Can you recall? Complete the table. Identify the odd term out. Write scientific reasons. Answer the following questions. So, let's start. At the starting we will see. Can you recall? First questions. What are the three types in which the elements are generally classified? Answer is: elements are classified into metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Second question. What are the metals and nonmetals that we use in everyday life? Answer is: metals, aluminum, copper, iron, steel, stainless steel. Nonmetals, chlorine, iodine, oxygen. Third questions are: you might have seen a doctor's pressure gauge to measure blood pressure during your visit to a dispensary, accompanying your relative. In that, you might have seen a gray-colored liquid in a glass tube. What is that metal? Answer: that metal is mercury. Next question is activity. Prepare a list of uses of metals and non-metals in our everyday life. Answer is: name of metal is gold and silver, its use is ornaments. Name of metal is iron and steel, its use construction purpose. Name of metal is aluminum, its use utensils. Name of metal is mercury, its use thermometer. Name of metal is copper, its use electrical wire. Let's see same uses of non-metals also. Name of non-metal is oxygen, its use breathing. Name of non-metal is nitrogen, its use for plant growth. Name of non-metal is chlorine and fluorine, its use water purification. Name of non-metal is iodine, its use antiseptic. Name of non-metals is graphite, its use electrical conductor. Let's see. Exercise question answers. First question is: complete the table. Answer: property of metal. Ductility. Use in everyday life. Gold, silver ornaments. Property of metal. Malleability. Use in everyday life. Aluminum sheets, galvanized sheets. Property of metal. Conduction of heat. Use in everyday life. Stainless steel vessels, copper vessels, boilers. Property of metal. Conduction of electricity. Use in everyday life. Copper wire. Property of metal. Sonority. Use in everyday life. Brass articles. Let's see next questions is: identify the odd term. First terms are gold, silver, iron, diamond. Answer is diamond. Others are metals. Second terms are ductility, brittleness, sonority, malleability. Answer is brittleness. Other properties are metallic properties. Third terms are carbon, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus. Answer is bromine. Others are solids. Fourth terms are brass, bronze, iron, steel. Answer is iron. Others are alloys. Next question is: write scientific reasons. Let's see. First question is: the stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Answer is first point. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron with carbon, chromium, and nickel. Second point. The conductivity of copper is higher than that of iron and steel. Copper heats uniformly and faster. The time for cooking is reduced. As a result, it saves fuel. Hence, the stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Second question is, copper and brass vessels are cleaned with lemon. Answer is, first point. Copper undergoes oxidation in air to form black copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat. This green substance is copper carbonate. Second point. Lemon contains acid. The acid dissolves the green coating of basic copper carbonate present on the surface of a tarnished copper and brass vessels and makes them shiny again. Third question is, sodium metal is kept in kerosene. Answer is, first point is, sodium reacts so vigorously with atmospheric oxygen that it catches fire if kept in the open. Second point. It does not react with kerosene and sinks in it. Hence, to protect sodium and to prevent accidental fires, it is always kept in kerosene. Let's see next question. Answer the following. First one. What is done to prevent corrosion of metals? Answer is, by applying a layer of paint, oil, grease, or varnish on the surface of a metal to prevent corrosion. Also, plating with non-corroding metal is done. Iron is coated with thin layer of zinc. Due to these processes, the contact of metal surface with air is lost and corrosion is prevented. Second one. What are the metals that make the alloys brass and bronze? Answer is, the alloy brass is formed from copper and zinc, and the alloy bronze is formed from copper and tin. Third one. What are the adverse effects of corrosion? Answer is, first point. A reddish-colored deposit, rust, is formed on iron by reaction with oxygen gas. Second point. A greenish-colored deposit, copper carbonate, is formed on copper by reaction with carbon dioxide. Third point. A blackish-colored deposit is formed, silver sulfide, on silver. Last point. Corrosion causes damages to car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, especially those of iron, silver articles, and copper vessels. Fourth question. What are the uses of noble metals? Answer is, uses of noble metals are, first, gold, silver, and platinum are used to prepare ornaments. Second, silver is used in medicines. It has antibacterial property. Third, gold and silver are also used to make metals and few electronic devices. Last point. Platinum, palladium metal is used as catalyst. Let's see last question in this chapter. Question is, 3 experiments to study the process of rusting are given below. Observe the 3 test tubes and answer the following questions. See this picture carefully. First question is, why the nail in the test tube second is not rusted? Answer. In the test tube second, oil cuts the supply of air to nail, due to which oxidation of nail is prevented and boiled water is free from gases. Hence, the nail in the test tube second is not rusted. Second question is, why is the nail in the test tube first is rusted highly? Answer is, the nail in the test tube first is highly rusted because nail is in contact with water and air. The oxidation process is fast. Third question is, would the nail in the test tube third get rusted? Answer is, no change is observed in the test tube third. Nail remains as it is because the calcium chloride absorbs moisture, making the air dry, thus preventing rusting of nail. Okay students, thanks for watching. Next chapter we will see in next video. So kept watching. Dear subscriber, if you have any problem in this video, chapter, or lesson, please comment it. Please like, share, and subscribe our AdarshVidya educational YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.